Volusia County Schools is proud to join school districts and communities throughout the nation in celebrating National Hispanic Heritage Month through October the 15th. We are honored to celebrate our staff and students of Hispanic descent and to recognize the rich history of Hispanic and Latinos making profound contributions in our community. Volusia County Schools is proud to serve nearly 63,000 students, with 24% who identify as Hispanic or Latino. Our schools and our greater community have benefited tremendously from the outstanding contributions of Hispanic individuals and communities. I am honored to be among those of Hispanic heritage who attended high school and college in the U.S. Our schools and individual classrooms teachers will continue to have special activities planned for the remainder of the month. I encourage all of our students and families to get involved and participate in these celebrations and other cultural celebrations throughout the year. Thank you for all that you do to help our schools and greater community prosper while keeping Hispanic culture alive and well here in Volusia County Schools.